Hi lovelies, welcome to today's video. Before you try making okra soup, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious okra soup using oha leaf. If today is your first time here, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. God bless you all, and let's get started. We are going to start by cooking the meat. Use any protein of your choice. I'm going to be using goat meat, well cleaned. Add into the pot, add the stock fish. Once done, season it up with some chopped onions.
You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever.
Some salt to taste.
Looking for the perfect kitchen.
Season cubes. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
Then add some water, stir, cover the pot until the meat is done or 90% cooked, okay?
Active, MIRA'S kitchen.
While that is cooking, go ahead and wash your fresh okra and cut your desirable size. After that, you set it aside. At this point, the okra is well cut. So the next, for the choice of vegetable, we are going to be using dry oha leaf. You can also use the fresh one if you have. Okay, this is what I have. So back to the pot. Now the meat is 90% cooked. Give it a properly stir and add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start by adding the red palm oil, pomo, known as cow skin. Then go ahead and add some crayfish. This time you have to be generous, okay? I added some uziza powder, totally optional. Add some seasoned cubes, fresh pepper, stir, add little water and also stir, cover the pot. Allow the red oil to cook properly so it doesn't stick to the mouth. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Put we active, MIRA'S kitchen. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so no. Enjoy your.
So here, I forgot to add my yoke. Alright? That's what I added here. Cover the pot and continue cooking.
Kitchen to deal with. I got your back on.
7 minutes later, I checked on the pot, open and stir. Wow, the aroma coming out from this kitchen. You cannot resist it. So I added some grilled mackerel fish. Add the okra mix to combine. So now I added my dry oha leaf, okay, well cleaned. After adding it, mix until it is well combined. Cover the pot for another 2 minutes. Be careful not to overcook your okra, okay? Now, our delicious okra soup is done. Turn off the cooker and it is ready to be served. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious that you cannot resist it, honestly. Have you tried out this recipe? If you have not, you are missing out, honestly. Try making your okra with oha leaf, the fresh or the dry one. You will never regret it. The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box or comment section below. Grab yours and enjoy this delicious recipe. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in our next one. Remember, blessed. Bye.